Hey tubers, real quick video here. I wanted to show you a quick little installation I just did on my 2018 Dodge Ram. It's got the V6 motor, big tires, 35-inch tires, aftermarket exhaust on it. I just put in some LED Tough Pods RGB. So you can see them here. I purchased these at Walmart. They have a little remote with them. You don't have to use your phone, because I know a lot of the phone ones you got to connect via Bluetooth, and I just really don't want the excess stuff being done. So this has its own little remote that I can put on my keychain and stuff when I eventually want to use it. But real easy installation for what I used them for. So real quickly, and don't do this if you think you're gonna go pulling people over or something like that. So basically I put them in the front grille just to light up my front area. So I'm going to click this on, and you can see in the background they're just cycling through different modes, but you can lock on a color. You can do like a soft entrance in, soft entrance out type deal, or you can do these like flashing mode ones. But once again, do not try to pull people over with these things, because if you use this on the road, you're shooing to get pulled over. I wouldn't use red or blue. Use the green, yellow, whatever, the white, whatever you want to illuminate the front end with. But it's right before Halloween, so I want to do something different with the truck. I already got the HIDs in here, the headlights, the blue ones, and I wanted something for the grill area. So yeah, these should look pretty cool at night, and I want to show you quickly how basically all the wiring is here. Each pod has individual wires, so I just basically ran the pods down, took my front grill off, and then used the self-tappet screws and screwed it right into this plastic, I don't know if it's a beam or whatever you want to call it, this plastic casing here that runs up the center of the truck in the front. So each one of these pods now, the kit came with self-tapping screws, so I just self-tapped them right into each side there, and then basically I put this protective coating over the wire. Ran the wire. This is basically, I guess, the computer or whatever you want to call it that signals, works with your controller. So this pickup here has a self-adhesive pad underneath. It didn't come with an alcohol wipe, but I had alcohol in the house, so basically used some alcohol, cleaned it up, put the adhesive on, stuck this on. We'll see if it holds. And then basically real easy, positive and negative. So if I technically want to, I just did this real quick. This took me about not even 20 minutes, I don't think, to do this. So one wire went to the ground, one wire goes to the positive terminal, and if you want, you can maybe hook this into your headlight wires or something, maybe the parking light wires if you don't want it direct power. But this gives you an on and off on here on this, so I mean you can shut it down whenever you want to. It's not like you have to remember about a switch or something like that. You can just hit your remote to shut the unit down, so that will stop any excess power going to the pods once you click it off. So yeah, in a nutshell, real quick, and basically give your truck more pizzazz, vehicle, car, whatever you want. Real easy to do. So once again, Walmart. They're called LED Tough Pods, and I guess you can use them on ATVs. I think they're really made for going around in the wheel wells to light up the area around your tires, but I wanted to use them some just different, and that's why it was so quick to install it this way. So alright guys, thanks for watching. Real quick video. Be safe. Bye. Okay, so this is a night view of what the lights look like. I'll demo. So basically this is what you get when you put the pucks in. If you want to light up your grill area. Definitely show better at night than they do in the daytime, but gives it a cool little effect. Anybody interested in doing this? Like I said, I wouldn't suggest doing this while you're driving. or whatever, but just to mess around and stuff. Get the different colors that you can scroll through. And the different modes that you can put this stuff in. And there's even a brightness thing on here somewhere. You can like dim it out. It's more like in a solid color. So you can kind of have fun with this. And that's gonna do it. So I just figured I'd show you guys like a nighttime view, kind of how that looks. And if you catch it on an angle, you can see how bright those lights actually are. That's why I pitched them the way I did, so it lights up the inside and it doesn't blind people as you're driving. Alright guys, until next time.